to a new episode. Today we will show you more of the Tuamotus Islands. We'll drive some tube. We have toilet issues. And we'll swim with some sharks. We also have something weird, strange animal under our boat. Enjoy!
The Tuamotus were known as the dangerous archipelago. So low on the water, they are almost invisible and with strong currents and swells pushing onto coral reefs. Normally, it's just only one pass to each atoll in the Tuamotus. These are best crossed at low tide or just at the start of the incoming tide. During outgoing tides, some passes become dangerous with waves and turbulences.
Now we are crossing Rairoa from the one side to the other side, and then we're going for the next atoll, Makemo. So it's important that you have the sun at least not in the front of you, because there is lots of bummies, and if you see here, if you had sailed that direction now, it would be impossible to see any bummies. And if you're going now, we have the sun from behind or from the side, and then it's quite easy to see the bummies. Bummies is small coral rocks that are everywhere in between the islands, and they can be like a couple of meters deep, and also just half a meter. Going through the pass in Rairoa with the Amazon Fire and tablet and the Open CPN and GPS. As you see, it's working really well. You can see all the bummies and all the shallow parts. It's good things to use.
Welcome to Makemo, the busiest place in the world. Roads and nice people.
So let's sing one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Come a party, let's go party.
Hello.
Altså, nå sitter jeg oppi Saringsfjorden for å se etter bummies. Det er altså koraller som rett og slett ligger en halv meter under overflata. Og inni atollene her i Tuamotus er det veldig mye av det. Så vil jeg helst prøve å unngå, for det kan bli litt problematisk.
Heia da!
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, we are!
Double in trouble. Oh wait. We had to say goodbye again. Well, now they're leaving. First time we went to an airport with a boat. The boat's in the back there.
What a nice fire. Yeah.
Lunch, biscuits, and fun, and music. And music. You gotta stay positive.
Very good, Lynn, very
And
good.
it's gonna burn down, but we gotta stay positive. I feel like I'm gonna burn. Today I can't see because I got a spotlight in my eyes. But we gotta stay positive.
Good morning. Today we have our maintenance day again. And for the first time in our boat life, we have a bit problems with the toilet. So let's see what Ivan is doing here. Oh, nice.
I really do appreciate this kind of job. It's, today I'm quite happy because I haven't thrown up yet. But we'll see, I'm not finished, so let's hope. So we changed this ventil, it's called lip ventil. And you see urine with salt water to make it like stone. So everything went really hard after a short time. Beautiful!
Beautiful, beautiful. So let's see how this will be after, when it's finished. Okay, now we have to have a look how it works with the toilet. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this stone that's in the pipes. Now we're trying to open the pipe, the pipes here, and see if it's getting better. And it's definitely getting a little bit better. But use a lot of water when you are in the toilet.
Important.
Very important. Not you're gonna have this mess quite often. I think incredible 5 seconds longer than they. High five! Woo!
Coming into the finishing straight. It's going to be close. How does it feel to be the winner?
Good.
This is how we get a ride in Makemo in the islands. Get some gasoline. Yeah, sitting in the back of a truck. That's nice. College di Makemo.
Okay, so today it's really windy. It was like going to be storm. But we thought we didn't got it, but yeah, sure, we got it. The waves are enormous. You maybe don't see, but they are. Dad is doing his favorite thing, windsurfing.
And after Daddy was finished windsurfing, we sailed to the next atoll.
Now we're leaving Makemo, going through the pass, yeah, strong current, but it's no problem. Deep and wide, so
Yeah, so what Daddy said is a joke. The current is really strong, like 3, 4, 5 knots or something, I don't remember. We say bye-bye to Makemo or wherever it's called. Then we arrive to the other atoll tomorrow, and it's gonna be interesting. Right, Leon?
Yeah.
Now we are at Fakarava. In the civilization. A bit more civilization.
Nice hotel with chairs and tables in the water.
Civilized.
Civilized?
This is my natural environment. We are back.
There's 4 big ones and 1 small one. 4 big ones and a small one. Oh my gosh, one.
yeah, it's so peaceful and
Look at this now.
Oh, this is like.
Take it, people.
Whoa, this is sharp mania.
Let's one by Andy. Come on, Iris.
Bye-bye. Think about all.
For evig å høre gode venner nordmenn på besøk her. Det er hyggelig. Så skjer det bort. Oi.
Oh my gosh!
Every Wednesday, a supply boat is coming to Fakarava North, and that means early up and running for fresh vegetables and diesel.
This is the supply boat coming to Fakarava with all kind of food, drinks, cola, tires, diesel, everything. And they also have collected copra.
Copra is the dried meat or kernel of the coconut.
In bags for delivery.
And here we get our diesel. And here we had to pay for it. In a good old traditional way.
It doesn't really go so fast here in the Pacific. This gas station has stayed like this for I think 1.5 years. So da har jeg så Ian Lukas vært og hentet diesel og baguetter. Nå er jeg hjemme igjen.
It's not so easy here like in Europe, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit more difficult. You have to pick it up yourself, and every Wednesday they have so you can order it today and you will get it next Wednesday. Then you can have some diesel, and of course you have to pick it up yourself in your cans and bring it back to the boat and fill the tanks. It's like a day. It's a daytime work.
Like Ivan has never anything to do.
Så er det ettermiddagsaktiviteter når skruen er ferdig. Så har jeg en engelsk båt som vi seiler med. Jeg har en liten seilbåt. Og da ser jeg det full action. Artig.
Ok, så nå skal vi snike oss på damene. De trener. Så her trener damene. Ser ut som at de danser.
Hope you enjoyed this episode. Follow us next time when Lynn takes a morning bath. Ivan is singing for her on her birthday. We are going on a cycle trip. Visiting a pearl farm. And the church on Sunday. Thanks for watching.